Hi to all, welcome to my channel. Today I will tell you how to print date and time by using Java calendar class. Actually the calendar class is available in the util package. For doing that one I am using Java platform standard edition 8 documentation. In that one we have to choose Java SC API. In the Java SC API we have to search the util package. Now I am searching the util package. Yes, this is the java.util package. Now in this one we have the calendar class. In the classes I am searching for calendar class. This is the calendar class. Actually you can print the date and time by using the java.util.date class, but in the date class we have the mostly the API is a deprecated API, means it is having some bugs, and better alternative is provided for the date class, that is the calendar class. To use this one, now I am showing you its description. That is, you can check. First thing is this class, I mean calendar class, is an abstract class. That means you cannot create an instance to the abstract classes by using the new operator. Now come to the description. The calendar class is an abstract class that provides the methods for converting between a specific instant in time and a set of calendar fields such as a year, month, day of month, hour, and so on, and for manipulating the calendar fields such as getting the date of the next week. Yes, and that means here the calendar class is providing the calendar fields like a year, month, day of month, hour, and so on. By using that we can get the information of the calendar fields. Now the another important point to remember is, already I told the class is a calendar class, is an abstract class. So he is telling, like other local sensitive classes, calendar provides a class method, that is get instance, for getting the generally useful object of this type. Calendar's get instance method returns a calendar object whose calendar fields have been initialized with the current date and time. That is, here he was given one example. That means a sentence like a calendar right now equals to calendar dot get instance. That means any abstract class is available. For each and every abstract class there is a get instance method is available, whereas this get instance method is a static method. That means you have to call with the name of the class, whereas it returns the object of the calendar class. Now let's go to check its methods. That is, now I am going to the methods. In this one we have a method called get method. Get returns the value of the given calendar field, whereas he is using the get method of a field. Now let's go to check what all the fields are available in the calendar class. Now come to the fields. In that one we have the various fields are available. For that I have a date. Similarly day of month, both are gives the same output. Similarly day of week, next one day of year, as well as we have hour or hour of day, both are the same output gives. Next one is we have other fields like minute. Next one we have the other fields, important fields, or like week of the month or week of the year, as well as year. These are the some important fields. Using that I will give you very simple and easy code for that one. For using to this code I am using Eclipse IDE. In this Eclipse IDE I am creating a one class, that is I am using in the package of TextSpider S. Now in this one give the name, that is calendar demo. Yes. Now first thing we have to import the package. The package is import java dot util package. Yes. Later I am writing main method. The main method is we have to write like public static void main. It takes the string argument string a or gs. Next one, I am creating the object to the calendar class, that is calendar cal equals to calendar dot get instance. In that we have the various methods are available, like get instance with the local or with the time zone. Currently I am using get instance method. What it will do, it will initialize this to the fields what I explained you in the previous documentation. Now just for understanding, I am giving the results of cal system dot out dot print, that is simple output for cal, that is cal. What it will do, it will initialize the fields. Now you can look at this one. This is initializing the fields to the calendar object. Like you can check this one, we have the options like year is 2021, month 2, like a week of year is 14, week of month is 5, like that one. But now I am getting the information from the given fields. For doing that, I am using system dot out dot println. I need date, today's date, that is today's date. For doing that, plus call cal dot get of, we have to provide the field name, that is calendar dot date. Yes, it is used to get the date. Similarly, I may get a remaining information from the date object is use sys out system dot out dot println. I want to print the month. For that, dot month is month. It is used to print the current month. Similarly, I want to use year. For that, use plus cal call dot get of calendar dot year. It is used to get the year. Yes. Next one, I want to get the information like day of the year. If you want to get the day of the year, I am using cal dot get method, that is field is calendar dot day of year. It is used to get the day of the year. Similarly, I want to use day of the month. It is similar to date. For that, press cal dot get method calendar dot day of month. Yes. Similarly, I want to use day of week, that is day of the week is plus cal dot get method, field is calendar dot day of week. Yes. Similarly, I want to print the week of the year, that is week of the year. Now use plus cal dot get method calendar dot week of the year. Yes. Next one, I want to print week of the year, week of the month. Yes, already we printed week of the year. Now I am printing week of the month plus cal dot get method, that is calendar dot week of month. Like that, I printed date, month, year, day of year, day of month, day of week. Similarly, we have week of year and week of month. Now I am executing the code. For executing, we have to press Ctrl F11 in Eclipse IDE. Now the result is today is 31 and month is 2. Later year is giving as 2021 and day of the year, that means totally 90 days are finished. Day of the month is similar to today's date like 31. Next day of the week is 4 and week of the year is 14 and week of the month is 5. Like that we can get the information from the calendar class. Similarly, if we want to get hours, use hours. For using this one, call cal dot get method, that is calendar dot hours. Similarly, you can use the results by using the another field like hours is plus cal dot get method calendar dot hour of day. Both are same output. Next one, I want to get minutes. Call dot get method calendar dot minutes. Yes. Similarly, if you want to get seconds, use seconds object cal dot get method then calendar dot seconds. Like that, a second. Try to run this one. In this output we get hours or hour of the day is same result, and minutes is 32 minutes and seconds is 15 seconds. Like that we can use the calendar class from the util package. This is used to get the date and time from calendar class. I hope you enjoyed the code. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications.